to my channel. So I have my mid semester starting from tomorrow. So basically what happens in my college is we have two exams per day. So like one will be morning shift, another will be evening shift. So I have two exams tomorrow, that is counseling psychology and abnormal psychology. Afterwards, I cooked some Maggie and with that some chai, and then I put everything that was necessary for me to study on my study table. So right now, the studying situation is like I'm sitting and studying on my floor because I believe that बेड पे बहुत ज़्यादा नींद आती है, so it's better कि मैं नीचे बैठ के पढूं. So I'm trying to study on my floor. So I took a little bit of eating break. I was eating these brownies. They are my favorite and I really love it. Okay, so since my first exam was of counseling psychology and another was of abnormal psychology, I thought why not start with abnormal psychology, since for counseling psychology I will have a lot of time to revise. So that's why I was reading mood disorders here. Basically, we had two units. One was mood disorder and schizophrenia. So I thought, why not start with mood disorders? And I was studying from the book after a very long time because I have a really bad habit of studying from websites. And then I shifted my focus to counseling psychology, since after studying for 2 hours, I was finished with abnormal psychology. Using questions to gather information and encourage deeper thought. Invite long answers. जैसे इसमें क्वेश्चनिंग में क्या होगा, एक ओपन क्वेश्चनिंग होगी और एक क्लोज क्वेश्चनिंग होगी. The pigmentation of the lipstick was great, and the formula was also really nice. Like it was gliding really smoothly on my lips. But I would say if you are looking for too many lipstick at a budget, you should really go for it. Hi guys, so today is my mid-sem and बड़ा स्ट्रेस हो रहा है कि मैं एक दिन में दो पेपर कैसे दूंगी. ऑल्दो मैंने दो सेमेस्टर ये चीज़ ऑलरेडी कर ली है, बट एवरी टाइम दिस हैपेंस मेरे को बहुत ऐसे एक्सट्रीमली वियर्ड लगने लग जाता है कि कैसे ही पॉसिबल होगा. तो अभी मैंने ब्रेकफास्ट बनाया है. Hi guys, so I just came back from college and let me tell you how my exam went. So my first exam was pretty good. Like it was decent, but I made a mistake. Like basically I wrote the right answer, and then middle of the exam I thought it's not the right answer, and then I crossed it. And later on when I came back home I realized that it was the right answer. So yeah, I messed up a little bit. And then afterwards, in the second exam, what happened was the exam was pretty lengthy, like the 5 markers were pretty lengthy. But I don't know why I did not attempted the 5 markers first. I should have done that. But yeah, that is something I'll remember for my tomorrow's exam. But yeah, I'm free to that. Now I'll make some tea for myself, and afterwards I'll sleep for a bit and then study for my next exam. Beep beep, beep beep. Okay, so me and my friend came back to my room to eat something after a third exam, since there was a 2 to 3 hours break in between. So she bought momos from Wow Momos. They were the chicken momos. Basically, they have three ways to, like, you can cook these momos. Firstly, put in microwave, then pan fry it, or steam it. So we had the steamer, so we thought, why not steam it? So we steamed the momos. Taste wise, they were okay only. I would not suggest you to buy it. Like, the chutney was pretty average, and you can see the inside filling of it, but they were not that good. And then after our last exam, we went home, and the exam was okay only. The exam did not go that well.